Hi class, so today we are going to be doing lesson 2 for our math. This is module 6, lesson 2. Our I can statement for today is I can use math drawings to represent equal groups and relate to repeated addition. So today you're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can draw your pictures, and we're going to be doing some addition today. So I hope you're ready. First, we're going to start with our fluency, our warm-up. So we're going to be using the nearest 10 to subtract. So we're first going to have to take our 10 out like we did yesterday. So we have 16 minus 9. So we're going to do our number bond on our 16, and we're going to take 10 out, and we have 6 left over. So we're first going to do 10 minus, good, 1, and use that 16, so 6 plus 17 minus is 49. So we're take out to our near what is to 46. We're going to always, so we're going to take 6. So first we're going to, what do we get? 31. Do our 6 to our 31 we just got, and what 36 minus 9, 7. 9. Remember, take it 10, 15, so our two number bonds are going to be 10 minus 9. Good. 1 or 1. Good. So 15 minus 9 is 6. And remember, we're going to get to the nearest of 3 and 5. And what do we get? 31. Now we're going to do our 31. 36. Now we have 6 minus to our nearest 10. Good. 30, so our these are 36. So we're going to do good 21, and we're going to add that 6. And what do we get? 20. Good. 6 minus 9 is 27. 130. 30. What number is it? Our or 0. 10's place from 3. So we 3 minus good 110. Now is 300 or our 0 in the good. Our 3 is in the. We're going to take 300. What do we get? Good. 100 left, so 50. Good job. Our next question is left 100. 5 are 0, 10. Good. Our 5 minus 6. We need to. Good. We're going to trade our 100 in. How many times? Good. 10. We have 10 away. Good. We have 9 10 ones. Good. 90. Look at this. 4 groups and in each are 3. Find the total. Good is we can do 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12 in all. What we can do what are today? We can use repeated addition. We add numbers together. So we 3 would still get. We know that 12 counters. I'm going to change my camera so that you can see me all the way. So it first says draw 5 large circles. So I'm going to draw 5 large circles. I'm going to change that actually so you can see something when we move on. Might be a little easier. It's 5 up top. So we have 5 large circles up top. Now they want us to draw 2 circles in each group. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have 2 in each of our 5 groups. Now let's look. We're going to draw a line beneath each group. And we're going to write a repeated addition sentence for this. So how many are in this group? Good. 2. How many are in this group? Good. 2. How many in this group? Good. 2. How many in this one? Good. 2. How many in this group? Good. 2. Now when we do addition, do we use our plus sign or our minus sign? Go, we use our plus sign. So we're going to add our plus sign in between each of these numbers. And what goes at the end? Good, our equal sign. So we're going to solve for this now. We can count by 2s, or we can add it in our head. So let's do it in our head. So we have 2. We're going to add 2 more. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many do we have all together? Good, we have 10 circles all together. Very nice job. So that is our problem. We did 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Very nice job. We're going to erase our problem. We're going to move on to the next one. Our next one says we're going to make 3 groups. So we'll make 3 big groups. 1, 2, 3. And they want us to make 3 groups of 5. So let's put 5 inside. Very nice. So let's look. We have 3 groups, and in each group there are 5 circles. So we're going to do our repeated addition sentence again. How many are in this group? Good, 5. How many are in this group? Good, 5. And how many are in this group? Good, 5. So we're going to add our addition sentence. Is it a plus or a minus? Good, a plus. Don't forget your equal sign. So let's think. We have 5, then we got to add 5 more. So we're at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now add 0 at 10, add 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 circles all together. So we have 3 groups of 5. So we did 5 plus 5 plus 5, and we know that equals 15. Very nice job. I'm going to switch back so we can see our PowerPoint. And now we have our application problem. Let me just erase this so we have not a lot of room for our application problem. So it says, Myra sorts her socks by color. She has 4 purple socks, 4 yellow socks, and 4 pink socks, and 4 orange socks. They want us to draw groups to show how Myra sorts her socks. So, what is the first step that we do when we are answering our application problem? Good, we need our read, draw, write checklist. Read, or RDW. Draw, write. So we've read our problem already. Now we need to draw our picture. So she told us that she is going to have 4 purple, 4 yellow, 4 pink, and 4 orange. So I'm going to first draw my 4 purple socks. I'm going to just draw them as circles. You can draw them any way you want or use any object that you want to show them. So here are my 4 purple socks. They're in one group all together. Now I'm going to draw my 4 yellow socks. I'm going to label it with a little P so I know. Now I'm going to have my yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to label with a little yellow so I remember. And now I'm going to have my 4 pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Label that with PI so I know it's pink. And then I'm going to draw my 4 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Label that with O for orange. So I drew my 4 groups, or the 4 different colors, and each one had 4 inside. So we right now have 4 groups of 4 socks. So let's write our repeated addition sentence to match this. So how many were in this one? Good, 4. Remember, are we using addition sign or a subtraction sign? Good, our addition plus sign. Now we got to add 4 more. And we have 4 here. And also 4 here. Don't forget your equal sign at the end. So when we add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, I'm going to draw little dots underneath my number, so when I'm counting, I could point to the dots, and I know. So each one has 4, so I'm going to draw 4 little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's not very easy to skip count by 4, so it's good to have a little dot underneath so you can see. It might be hard to see on my board, but I'll point to them for you. So we start at 4, so I don't need to count those, but I know after 4 comes 5, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many socks does she have all together? 16. Good. So we read our problem and we drew our problem, but now we need to write our problem's word sentence. We have our number sentence. We need to write our word sentence. So Myra has how many socks? Good, 16 socks in all. What goes at the end of our sentence? Good, a period, and I'm going to put it in my little cloud. Very nice job. So I'm going to go back to our PowerPoint. And I'm going to show you what our problem set has. So you can answer your problem set on a separate piece of paper. I'm going to read each problem for you so you know what it says. After I read it, I'll pause for a little bit. You can pause the video and work on it and then move on to the next one. So number 1 says, write a repeated addition equation to show the number of objects in each group, then find the total. So you're going to look at part A and you're going to see each group is inside a circle. So how many groups are there? Good, we're going to have 3 groups, and then they want to know how many pencils are in each group. Additions right below, and then ask you, you're going to put that together. Then your part B, the same, but you have to write your, and then it says teddy bear group. Number, first page of our set. You're going to draw a group of 4 for number sentence. So in groups ready with group, you need to draw more socks under so that it matches. So, and then it's a blank each group equals how all together. Now 3. One more repeated additions similar to this problem. You're going to have to draw 3 like repeated additions. And how many are in each group? Go down to the next part where 3. So do you have 3 groups? If you do have groups, then you need to write your total. Then you're going to, it says draw 2 and write a repeated addition map. So groups that have, so you're going to have 2 more groups. So sentence. There are all others. They are add 2 more groups. Total is how many you have all together. So that's the end of today's math lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please, you can either call me, text me, send me a dojo message, whatever works for you. I'm happy to help. And I hope that this helped with some of your learning. I am super proud of you, and Miss Vu and I really miss you. We hope you're doing well, and we can't wait to see all your work. Bye.